We're here at a 2007 Lexus LS. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's set up wireless Android Auto now. Open up Settings, then come to Connections. We'll click on Bluetooth. Scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to look for a new Hamilton Bluetooth network. Click on it. When a pairing code pops up, you're going to click Pair. This is a test phone that we use. It's a little bit on the cheaper side, so it can be slow. Just like that, Android Auto will start to initiate. The first time you ever set up Android Auto, you may get a message that says Allow Favorites and Contacts, and also one that says Approve Android Auto. And just like that, Android Auto will open. This is the Android Auto home screen. We're not quite done setting up. I'm going to show you a few more important settings. Our system is going to play audio through your factory head unit, and if you have Mark Levinson, we will maintain your original audio quality. You need to set your system to aux mode. You can see here triggering the mode button on the steering wheel is cycling through the audio modes. We want to make sure it's in aux mode. Long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds will switch back to the factory system, where you can access all of your original factory features, including your original navigation, all audio features, and your original audio control features. To return to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, simply long hold that voice speech button for 3 more seconds on the steering wheel. I'll walk you through Android Auto quickly here. You can see all of our apps have automatically pre-populated. Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically load through here. No matter which app you use for music, whether Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or another one, you'll have access to all of your cover art and songs. Your navigation is going to be so much better with this system. You can see we're using Waze here, and the directions will be read aloud.
Let's go.
Our engineers have precision-tuned this system to work with your factory microphone. It means using the Google Voice Assistant or making phone calls will be effortless. What's the weather like in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 76 degrees with light rain. Today, there will be light rain with a forecasted high of 76 and a low of 67.
All of our systems are made with top-of-the-line internal components. We only use the highest quality, genuine chips, and all of our circuit boards are gold-plated. This means just like how your original Lexus was designed to go the distance, so is the Hamilton system. Because of this, we can afford to back it with a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We have a full installation video available on our YouTube channel. As well, if you have compatibility questions, you can call us at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or my team. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com.